Apple begins production of iPhone SE2. Release, in March. Leaks and information about new Apple products are completely normal, but temporary. As a rule, they begin to appear 2 to 3 months before the release of new items, because it is at this time that the company launches it in production. Of course, the employees of the partner factories at which the assembly is carried out cannot resist the temptation and not take pictures of the new iPhone or iPad, so as not to post them on the internet later. Apple is trying to stop this in every possible way, but most often there is no special sense in the applied security measures. Apparently, this will be the case with the iPhone SE2, the production of which is about to begin. iPhone SE2 is about to go on production. Apple is in a hurry to launch production of the second-generation iPhone SE2, also known as the iPhone 9, in early February, reports Bloomberg. This rush is due to the imminent release of new items, which, according to rumors, should be presented in early March. Apple will show the smartphone at the traditional spring event, at the same one where it showed the original iPhone SE 4 years ago and proved to everyone that it can not only follow market trends, but also take into account the interests of its users who were eager for a compact smartphone.